This is the Grant Village Lodge in Yellowstone. 2 queen room with has 2 queen beds on either side of a nightstand. A large window which you can open up for a breeze. There's no air conditioning in any of the Yellowstone lodges, so it is nice to have a window that you can open. There is, depending on which side of the lodge you're on, you could either have a lake view or forest view, or in our case it's mostly a parking lot view. Over here we have a small kitchenette with a refrigerator and a coffee machine. There's refrigerators about the standard size that you would find for most hotel rooms. They do give you some cups in a nice container. There's a table and chairs. This room is a connecting room. We're not connecting to anybody, however you could get adjoining rooms. Then there's, for your luggage, you can hang up some clothes. And then there's the bathroom. There's a small shower over here, and then there's a sink and toilet, mirror. It's a fairly functional bathroom, fairly simple. And then I kind of think that these waste receptacles are kind of silly because they kind of lean on their sides and they don't hold very much. But Santerra Corporation has put in these recycle and trash bins. So one is for recycling, one is for paper, one is for landfill. Obviously the one for landfill is too small in my opinion. But this is a fairly nice lodge in a nice area of Yellowstone. If you want to be kind of away from all of the noise of, say, the Old Faithful area, but still be in a fairly central area of the park. So this is Grant Village, 2 queen lodge room.